Hi, so my name's Zoe and we've spent the last couple of days with Jervis Bay in the wild in Huskisson. So we've done many different activities with Jervis Bay. We started off with having a beautiful lunch right on the seafront. So it was a beautiful fish and chip lunch. They offered incredible food. It was really, really lovely. So then we started off again on the boat with Kevin and Margaret, who are the two of the wonderful hosts. They're really knowledgeable. They know loads about the area. They gave us safety instructions, let us know exactly how to do. And then we set out on different paddleboards, two-person kayaks and single-person kayaks, and went all the kind of way around Jervis Bay. We saw these incredible, massive stingrays that were bigger than me. We saw loads of other different wildlife that they would quite happily point out and show us so we could stop off and have a look. We had a bit of bad weather yesterday, and they still kind of coached us through on what to do in the bad weather and got us home safe and sound, which was great. So then today we've been on two different tours. We've been on the whale watching tour, and today we've been really lucky. We've seen a mama whale and a baby whale. We've seen loads of different dolphins. We've also seen some seals as well. So we've been super lucky today. We've been with Kevin, who once again made us feel super safe. It was a bit rough and choppy this morning on the waves, but once again we felt so safe and at home with Kevin, who is so knowledgeable all about the area and all about the animals. The environment that we're in is just beautiful. It's spectacular. The views have been incredible. We've had such a fun day all in the group. And then today we've also done a sunset tour where Kevin's taken us out on a sunset cruise. They've been offered a cheese board as well. We've brought some drinks on board. It's been a really lovely, relaxing, friendly day. Everyone's socialised and we've had really, really good fun. Once more, learn even more about the area, all about the kind of vegetation and the animals that we have here. We've learned loads of knowledge, had loads of fun, and made loads of new friends, which is great. So if you're in the area, I would 100% come check out Jervis Bay in the wild.